Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import data from Foxpro database into SQL Server. In this particular tutorial we are going to use 32-bit version of Advanced ETL Processor because Foxpro libdb driver 64-bit does not exist. I have already created a libdb connection. In your case, you may need to install a libdb provider. We have a link on our website. All we need to do is to download and install it. So, next step, what we need to do, we need to create transformation. Call it export to SQL Server. I have also created a connection to SQL Server, which we are going to use. We're not going to validate anything, so we just delete it. So we need to say that our connection type is LADB. Well, in theory, we can also use DBF, but that will require some additional installation of drivers. So Foxpro, and the table want to load data from is customers. Okay. Now we need to set target database to SQL Server. And target table to customers. We can also truncate it. And all we need to do is to map our data. We just use automap dialog, it's rather easy. So done, and the last step is run transformation. 91 records, there should be. Let me show you the actual data. Here it is our data loaded. As you can see, that was easy. If you have any questions or suggestions, constructive criticism, complaining about the colors, we're always happy to assist. Just go to our support forum and post your questions there, and you might be surprised how fast we will get the answer back. And again, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.